20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, o professor é 6, 7. 20, mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil.
Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get that bad, you ain't never coming last. Fuck your man, you know this gon' make him mad. Break that back, then we make a film on cam. Shake that ass, baby, show them that you bad. Freaked out, show them that you freaked out. Freaked out, I can tell you freaked out. Freaked out, show them that you freaked out. Freaked out, I can tell you freaked out. From the front, shawty man, get a gun. She's so fucking bad, make her ex so mad. From the front, shawty man, get a gun. She's so fucking bad, make her ex so mad. Ay, I get wild thoughts when I'm with you, baby. I like you on top, girl, you do amazing. I tell her don't stop, I'ma make you famous. Fuck about a bitch, I get my money, then you get your payment. I ain't tryna lie to you, it just feels so right with you. First night I could've vibe with you, now I can't get.
Tori's big backpack is blocking the way.
How you doing? Go across and make a right. 39A, go across and make a right.
Cross?
Mm-hmm. You are. Okay, that's okay. Okay, go here.
Hey, I'm supposed to go across the river, right? Well, I don't know if I'm gonna go.
So I have to use that email.
Wait, am I going to that way? Wait, I'm really... What's so long? I can't even see these.
You should be text, right?
My AirPods just stopped.
Hello?
Which side? So she's like you're not. But you just got because I'm trying to figure out what I'm sitting. So.
Okay, so that's
used your sheet, you will now need to take it off your seat. And please don't forget to replace your shoulder harness for landing. Also, we do ask that everyone find their important paperwork at this time, have it with you. Cell phones, earpods, earbuds, those should all be in small pockets or in your bag. Delta One cabin, everything on that flat surface tray table area, that will come forward and slide off. So please take care to put all those small objects away. Take your seats as soon as possible. Flight attendants will be coming through the cabin one last time, picking up any remaining cups and glasses or anything else that you would like to discard. It's certainly been our pleasure to have you on board today. And we ask you to return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts as soon as possible. Thank you.